You don't want to worry about it, because even if you put it on the wrong way, it'll be okay. Today I'll be doing a review on Pelsee's brand new jump starter and air compressor. I last time installed their mirror dash cam and I've been real happy with it. It's been one of the best ones that I've had so far, and you can kind of see some of the features whenever you talk to it. Turn off screen.
Okay.
Turn on screen.
Okay.
Show front camera.
Okay.
Show rear camera.
Okay.
If you're looking for the best mirror dash cam with reverse feature, I highly recommend the one from Pelsee. This one is the P12 Pro, but they also have other models. Down here, I just have a regular stereo, so I use it a lot as my backup camera. Whenever I put it in reverse, you can see the full image, not just zoomed in like other models, which is exactly what I like. And also, if you turn off the monitor, and it looks real good, just like a normal glass. You can see my hand right there. The seat is real sharp and clear, or you can also press on the button down here. But if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, I'll have it down below in the description. And now let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. Comes in the bag inside. And I also want to thank Pelsee for sponsoring this unit here so we can review it. Alright, looks like the jump starter is here. And there it is. I actually thought it was a bit darker, or like a black color. It looks a little bit darker on the box right over here. With the gray color, it kind of reminds me like a calculator with these buttons up here and the black screen. But you guys let me know what you think down below in the comments. And it feels pretty good in the hand, nice and sturdy. Over here is for the jump starter, so you connect on there. And on the top side is to do the air on the tires, or if you're airing up a ball. And the USBs are up on top here. So you got the two outputs, and the USB-C is the input for the charger wire. It's got the manuals, the charger wire, some adapters to air up balls or different items, and the wire to jumpstart your battery. And it's got some more specs down here. And we have the wire to air up your tires, or if you're gonna air up a ball or anything like that. Some of the main features on this jump starter is up to 4,000 amps of peak current. It'll also support 6-liter diesel and up to 8-liter gas engines. And it's compatible with all 12-volt systems, like on cars, trucks, SUVs, even motorcycles or minivans. If it's a 12-volt, it'll be alright. And if you use it as a power bank, you can also charge your phones or any other devices with the top USBs. You can see right there's the two outputs. One of them has a higher amperage. You can see it on the bottom over here. So the USB number 1 will have up to 3 amps, and on USB 2 is 2 amps. It also has a flashlight on the side with different lighting modes. Let's go ahead and try it out. So there's the power button, and you press and hold this light button and it'll turn on the flashlight solid white. There's white strobe, SOS, and red strobe. I probably won't use these a lot. I like to use it more for like the battery jump starter and the tire inflator. Those are very common. And you can see here it's got the menu button. You can select it and it'll change to like bicycle or different items down here, balls and cars. And you can also change it to read PSI, which is probably what I'll leave it at. And you can select the PSI, how much you want to put on the ball or tire, and then just go ahead and press the button and it'll go ahead and air it up. So it's pretty simple, and all of these are just kind of like plug and play, just twist it on for the air. So this would be the tire inflator. Just make sure not to touch it when it's on, because it'll get hot. But there it is. And as far as the jump starter, it's also plug and play, so you can't really mess it up. It's got a flat surface here, and there you can see it on the side. So let's plug it in right here. Just like that, and you can see it's already lighting up because it's ready to go, but we have to hook it up to the battery. And let's go ahead and test out the air pump right now because I don't have a dead battery on my truck. I should have enough air on the tires, but if not, I'll go ahead and take some out just so we can try it out and see how it sounds and how does it work. So I'm gonna have to clean these wheels also. You can see they're pretty dirty because it's always raining around here. Kind of stays with a lot of dirt. There it is. If you're not sure how much air to put on your tire, you can always check on the sidewall. This one is a 265 40 R22 and it says extra load, max pressure 49 psi. So I'll go ahead and do 40 psi. Most people will stay around maybe 35, but try not to exceed the maximum pressure. Let's put the air hose back on here. And we can just clip this on the valve stem. I'll turn it on so we can see how much PSI I have. And we can change it from here. Looks like I have 37 PSI. I'll take some of it out so we can add more air and see how it does. There's 36. I'll take a little bit more. All right, 35. Let's go ahead and put it at 40 psi. I usually like having like 40. All right, it should be there. And then just press and hold it. It's not too loud. Alright, it's done now. That wasn't too bad. It's actually not that loud. You can just take these off and put the cap back on and you're ready to go. I'll just go ahead and do the rest of the tires just to make sure they're all at 40 psi since I already aired up that back one. Let's see if I can do it one hand. One time. It's probably not on because it's saying 0 psi. Maybe I gotta press it more. Alright, now it's in 38 psi, so it needs a little bit more. We're gonna go with 40. And there we go. That's another one done. And there it goes. Let's go ahead and check out the other two. I do like the fact that it's pretty simple and quick. You can just do this anywhere. You don't have to stop and find a station with some air pump. Sometimes you just need a little bit of air, so this definitely helps out to carry it in your car. PSI. This one has 39, so it just needs a little bit more, one more PSI. We're gonna do 40 again. Press and hold it. There it is, quick and easy. This one landed a little bit harder because it's on the top side, but it still should be pretty simple. Or you could move your truck if you really have to. Let's try one hand again. Let's see if that worked. And we have it's reading 38 psi, so we want 40. And hold it. Alright, it's got 40 now. Let's go ahead and unplug this, and that should be it. Pretty simple. You can do it one hand and then just put your cap back on and you're done with all 4 tires. It actually doesn't feel that bad, but it is a bit warm, so just be careful and keep your hands out of this area. Overall, I do like it. It was pretty simple to use, and I would recommend it. If your battery's dead, all you gotta do for the jump starter is to hook up the negative post to the negative side of the battery and the positive on the positive side. You can also see the light blinking on the jumper right there. Once you connect it, it'll stop the blinking. It'll be solid, and you can hear it clicking on as well. There it is. And now you can go ahead and start your car. My battery is brand new, so I won't be able to fully test it out. Also, if you've never used this before, you don't want to worry about it, because even if you put it on the wrong way, it'll be okay. You can hear it right there. And just go ahead and reverse the polarity or into the right order. Positive is red and negative is ground. Or also on the battery, it might show you on the post a negative sign and a positive sign. The only thing you don't want to do is go ahead and touch these two together, because then you'll accidentally short out your battery, and you don't want to go ahead and do that. So just keep these separate, place them in the correct spots, and you should be good. But overall, I would highly recommend having something like this to jump your battery instead of carrying those cables. Or if you get a flat tire, it'll definitely help out as well. It's a brand new jump starter for 2025, but once I have the link, I'll have it down below in the description for you guys. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and share the video. And if you want to see more on the Pelsee mirror dash cam, check out the next video here.